If you have less than $200 in your account, you're on a battlefield. And if you keep doing what everyone else is doing, you'll stay broke. But if you use that money wisely, it can be the seed of your freedom. Today, I'm going to tell you what no one else dares to say about money. And no, there's no magic formula. There's war, there's blood, there's decision. Do you know what 90% of people do when they have $200? They buy clothes, order takeout, pay just the minimum on their credit card. Or worse, stash it in a savings account and think they're winning. Saving $200 in a savings account is like hiding bullets in the middle of a war. You don't need safety right now. You need movement, direction, a strategic strike, a strategic. First principle, invest in the mind. The first thing you need to understand is this: you won't get rich with money. You'll get rich with decisions, with vision, with intelligence. So take a piece of that money and invest it in your mind. Mentorships, books, courses, events. But be sharp. Pick knowledge that makes you money, not diplomas for your wall. You're broke because you're misinformed. You're stuck because you believe in the wrong ideas. Ignorance is expensive. The right information is an investment. Second principle, start a micro income. You won't buy a house with $200, but you can start a side income. Use a portion of that money to test a digital product. Offer a simple service. Solve someone's pain. But Raven, what if I lose the money? You've already lost time, self-respect, and opportunities. Now you're afraid of losing $50. Don't fear small failures. Fear staying small. Third principle, cut the noise. While you're listening to 30 different podcasts, watching 1-minute videos, and trying to please everyone, time is passing, and your bank account is bleeding. With less than $200, your only priority is focus, clarity, execution. Nothing else matters. Stop following 15 gurus. Stop jumping from one course to the next. Pick one thing and go all in. Fourth principle, multiply with intention. That $200 can double in 30 days, or it can vanish in a lazy Sunday pizza. You decide if this money will be an accelerator or a sedative. You know what I would do if I were broke with $200? I'd spend $20 on a book to rewire my brain, $60 on a course that teaches me a skill I can monetize this month, $100 testing a simple product or idea, and I'd keep $20 just to remind myself I can't stop now. You don't need luck. You need direction. You don't need more money. You need vision, courage, and execution. Most people will waste this money, but you're listening to this because deep down, you've already decided you're not like most people. Go, make that money work for you, because if you don't, you'll work for money the rest of your life. If this made sense to you, share this video with someone who still thinks $200 doesn't matter. Subscribe and follow The Raven, because here, we learn to fly, even if we start from the ground.